Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about why even after the year of its release, Samsung Galaxy Watch is still relevant and is the best value for money. So the first thing that I want to talk about is this rotating bezel on this watch, and I want to tell you that this watch is a year old and you can see that this rotating bezel is working perfectly fine. It is built to last. It is built to take a beating. It is really tough, and I've used it in all kind of conditions, in rain, in snow, in very hot conditions, and this thing has been working perfectly fine even to this day. And in my opinion, a rotating bezel is one of the best ways you can navigate the software of any smartwatch, and I think Samsung has implemented it to perfection. How you can control the widgets, how you can control and navigate throughout the software, how you can navigate through the apps, how you can control brightness or the volume in the sound app, music app, and how the third-party app developers are using rotating bezel to control their apps. It's just brilliant how well a rotating bezel works on a smartwatch. Next up, I want to talk about the battery life on this watch. So this watch gives you at least 3 to 4 days of battery life, which I know is not a week or 10 days or a month, but is still respectable battery life. If you don't have to charge your watch every day or every other day, it should be considered a respectable battery life, and this watch gives you that option. And with all these battery saving and battery optimization options, you can even get more out of this watch. And combined with that, the wireless charging on this watch, it's a tough deal to beat, to be honest. So you can charge it on any compatible wireless charger as well on the back of your Galaxy S10 and Note 10 as well. Next up, I want to talk about the water resistance on this watch. So it is rated IP68, which means that you can use this watch in water up to the depth of 50 meters. So if you're a swimmer and you want to wear this watch to track your swimming, you can use it without any problem. So, and it can also be used in shower, in heavy rain, and occasional spills of water will also be fine, obviously. So so if you go into the Samsung Health app here and go in activity and go in workout, here you can see that you can use it for swimming pool and then for swimming outdoor as well. So it will be fine if you want to track your swimming wearing this watch. Even the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 is rated IP68, so that can also be used for 50 meters into the depth of water. So this has the same rating as that one. Moving on, I want to talk about the software on this watch. So if we go in settings and go all the way down in about watch, this thing is running on One UI version 1. And Tizen OS version 4.0.0.4. So this is not the latest version. The latest version is One UI version 1.5 that is available on Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And hopefully Samsung will update this watch with the latest One UI version as well sometime in the future, considering the fact that they updated Gear S3 Frontier, which is a 3-year-old watch with One UI version 1. But still, this software is good enough. It's fast, it's responsive, and it works just fine. There are a ton of features here that are available on One UI version 1.5, so they share a lot of features. 90% of the features that you get with One UI version 1.5, you get those features on this One UI version 1 as well. So it's not a lot that you're missing with this software, and hopefully it will soon get the latest update and will be up there with Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And finally, I want to talk about the durability of this watch. So this watch is built like a tank. It's big, it's bulky, and it has got these raised edges which protect the screen in case it falls down on a hard surface as well. And this thing is built to last in all sorts of conditions, whether you are in cold conditions or in warm conditions, or you are in in a desert with a lot of sand and stuff. This thing is built to last and will have no problems in any kind of environment. And the footprint of the watch is also quite big, so it is really satisfying to wear on the wrist as well. You feel like you're wearing a really substantial and high quality watch on your wrist as compared to the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, which is smaller and feels really light on the wrist, and sometimes really feel like a toy as compared to Samsung Galaxy Watch. So this thing is really durable and built to last. So if you're looking for something that is future proof, that can take a beating, is durable, and has got a lot of features similar to the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch, you cannot go wrong with Samsung Galaxy Watch at this point. And at this point you can easily get it for 299 US dollars. So I think this is one of the best deals if you're looking for an Android smartwatch. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.